Hi, Reached. It's Friday of week 24, so that can only mean Friday review. Question 1, 1.9 multiplied by 0.2. Okay, 19 by 2 is 38. 1.9 by 2 is 3.8. So 1.9 by 0.2 is 0.38. Question 2, 1 quarter is 0.25. Minus 3 plus minus 4 is minus 7. Double this shape. I'm nearly getting fond of these. Double the dimensions of the shape. It should be like a little Tetris piece. Huh. Anyway, it's 3 across. That means now it's going to be 6 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that bottom kind of level is going to be too thick, isn't it? So it's going to be like that. Doesn't matter if you do it there or if you do it on the bottom line, that's okay. It's going to be 6 across and 2 high if you want. And then this, instead of 1 going up the middle, it's going to be 2 by 2 up the middle, isn't it? It's going to be a dot square. And that should look like that. If it's not there, if it's one level lower or higher, it doesn't make any difference. Question 5. A television costs €400 plus 20% VAT. What's the total price? You can get 20% by multiplying by 0.2 or 20% of 150. You can divide 400 by 5. Either way, you get 80. So €80 is the VAT that's added on to the 400. So your total price is now 480. 10. Take away E equals 9.5. E equals 1/2. Question number 7. 7 and 2/5. Take away 4/5. It's going to be 6 and 3/5. Question number 8. 2000 divided by 20 divided by 5. Okay. How many 20s are there in 2000? Well, what are you doing with 20 to get 2000? You're multiplying it by 10, 100. So 2000 divided by 20 is 100. 100 divided by 5 is 20. That's your full answer. Question number 9. 7 squared. 7 multiplied by 7, not 14. Multiplied by 7 is 49. Question number 10. 8.476 take away 3.054. It's 5.422. Question number 11. 3,679 milliliters equals how many liters? Well, how many milliliters are in a liter? Milliliters in a liter? It's 1,000. So it's 3 point. You have to put in decimal point because this is all after the decimal point now. 3.679 liters. Question number 12. 2 by 83 is 166. Question number 13. 1 take away 0.007 is 0.993. Question number 14. You can't see it. X equals how many degrees? Straight angle is 180. Take away 125. Your answer is 55 degrees. Now, magic square. Question number 15. I'm not here in your classroom with you to explain a magic square. So I'll explain what a magic square is. If you haven't got this done, after I've explained it, stop the video, try and figure it out yourself, and then press unpause to see if you're right. So in a magic square, all of the columns and all of the rows and the 2 diagonals have to add up to the same number. So you're given one full line. It could be that line or it could be that line. In this case, it's diagonal. All of the other columns, lines across and lines down have to add up to the same number. So first of all, we figure out 4, 5, and 6. Add them together, you get 15. So all of the rows and all of the columns have to add up to 15. I'll do the first one here for you. Maybe we'll do this one here. Or if you want to stop now, stop now. Anyway, if you're still not sure, just keep looking. So 8 plus 4 plus whatever it is has to be 15. So 8 plus 4 is 12. That means that this here has to be 3. Okay, if you want to stop there and figure out the rest, do. If you've already figured it out, then just keep watching. I'll just fill in the rest here. So 8 plus 6 is 14. So it has to be 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. So this has to be 9. 4 plus 9 is 13, so this has to be 2. Just check that does that make sense? Well, 2 and 8 is 10, plus 5 is 15. Yes, that's right. And then down the side here, 2 plus 6 is 8. So 8 plus 7 is 15. And then check across the way here. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 5 is 15. They're all the right answers. Question 16. 7 3/4 plus 3 3/4 is 10 and 6/4, which we're not going to leave like that. It can be 11 and 2/4. And we're not going to leave that like that either. It's going to be 11 and a half. Insert signs into the number sentence. 50 something 2 something 5 is 30. Well, 50 something 2, you're not going to multiply it because that would be 100. That would be too big. I'm thinking it's 50 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. Question 18. 7 and 3/7 as an improper fraction. You multiply the 7 by the 7, you get 49. You add on a 3, you get 52. 52 over 7. Oh, do you remember these? What a pity we can't do these on the whiteboard. Okay, draw a 270-degree rotation clockwise. So it's going to go clockwise like that. 270 is 3/4 of a circle. So it's going to be like 1/4 turn, 2/4, 3/4. So it's going to be facing that way. And the E is going to look like that. You can do it better than me. Question 20. Triangular prism has how many faces, how many edges, how many vertices? It's going to have 5 faces, the 2 triangles and the 3 rectangles. The edges is going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 edges. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vertices. Question number 21. 4.295 plus 2.334 is 6.629. Angles in a rhombus add up to 360 degrees always, because it's a quadrilateral 4-sided shape. Number 23, 333 milliliters equals 1/3. It's not really 1/3 liters, but anyway, close enough. Equals 0.333 liters. Question number 24. Complete the multiples of 4 and 8. Color any matching multiples. Okay, first of all, we do the multiples of 4 and 8. So that's 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, and 40. And the multiples of 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. The matching multiples: 16, 24, 32, and 40. If you were to keep going, all of the 8 multiples of 8 are also multiples of 4. But for the purposes of this, you only go as far as the 10th one. Last question. What's the chance of choosing a red jelly bean from a jar containing 1 red and 99 green jelly beans? Well, if you have your eyes open, probably 100% chance. But if it's a random selection, just stick it in your hand and pulling out a jelly bean. It's going to be 1 in 100.